It's hard to thrive when you're struggling financially. But, how are you going to increase your income so that you have money at the end of the month? Why not start a side hustle? A side hustle is a flexible job you do on the side that can increase your salary potential. Of the many ways to earn money outside of your main job, starting a side business is a valuable option. How can RightStep help? We give business owners the ability to control their destiny, create their environment, pursue their passions, invest in themselves and make more money by starting a business. The reality is, in business, if you want to have the best chance of succeeding, rather than coming up with a great idea that nobody has come up with yet and hoping there is a market for it, why not find out what people are already buying and create a service or product that fills that existing need? To this end, we developed business startup kits from the best business ideas and provided startup tools for you to start a successful business. Each kit contains a business idea that has been thoroughly researched and is profitable, that you can start today. Visit https://rightstepstartup.com/index.php/business startup kit.